What's up with it, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you with another delicious recipe, y'all. And today, we're gonna make us something for breakfast. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be simple, and everybody loves them a good old Denver omelet. Very few ingredients, but oh so delicious. Let's get to this Denver omelet. Yeah. All right, we're gonna start off. Let's grate our own cheese. I like grating my own cheese off of the block. It just melts better. You know, it's just better than I already shredded. Check that out. All right, let's move on. We're gonna crack us 1 egg. We're gonna crack us 2 eggs. And we're gonna crack us 3 eggs. There we go. Hit it with some heavy cream, just a little bit. Hit it with some salt and pepper, season the taste. We're just gonna mix it up, whisk it up, mix it up, baby. Get all them egg yolks broke down, get everything blended in, that salt and pepper in there, everything mixed up. Now let's go ahead and drop some oil in our pan. We're gonna saute these veggies now. Allow it to heat. Drop your bell peppers in there, drop your onions in there. We're gonna saute this for 2 to 3 minutes till it look like this right here. There we go. Now let's throw that ham in there, baby. And we're gonna saute that for another 2 to 3 minutes till it looks like this. Check us out. Till it looks like that. Yeah, and then we're gonna set it aside. Get our egg pan. Let's melt us some butter in there. Get that butter melted, baby. Let's go ahead and add our eggs. There we go. Get them eggs in there. Get it all out of there. You know, eggs expensive now. All right, we got our eggs in there. So we're just gonna let it cook. Let it cook. You see it bubbling? Once the edges start cooking, get your spatula and pull your edges back. Just like that. Let some of that egg seep into the cracks. Just like that. If you gotta tilt your pan, tilt your pan. Get that egg in there, let it cook, give it a good flip. A little darker than I would like, but they still gonna be delicious. They still fluffy, not burnt at all, baby. All right, let's get some cheese on there. We want it while it's hot. We want that cheese to start to melt for us. Now let's get it on a oven-ready plate. We're gonna put this in the oven on the broil. So let's go ahead and get us some of our ham, onions, and peppers. Get it on there. Get everything on there. Waste not, want not. Now let's hit it with some more cheese, please. Yeah. We're gonna fold it. Let's get it folded. There we go. Oh, that's a beautiful omelet right there, baby. That's a beautiful omelet right there. Now we're gonna hit it with the remainder of our ham, onions, and peppers, baby. Yeah, we're gonna top it off just like that. And guess what? Some more cheese on that thing. There we go. Get us some cheese on there. There we go. Let's get us some cheese on there. Get some more cheese on there then. Thought we was through. We ain't through. We're gonna put some more cheese on there. Just like that. Now we're gonna place it in the oven under broil till the cheese is nice and ooey and gooey, and it looks like this right here. Check that out, baby. Denver omelet, baby. Yeah, Denver omelet. It looks delicious. That boy can cook. All right, family, that is it. That is all. You see how quick and simple that Denver omelet was, y'all? Yeah. And it's oh so delicious, baby. Check us out. Denver omelet in your face. Ooh, look at that. Got the ham, the peppers, the cheese nicely melted on there. Protein packed breakfast, baby. Right here. Help build the muscles. You know how I go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go and get that. Them omelets are so delicious. Well filling. Healthy for you. Just overall, Great breakfast, baby. All right, family. You know what time it is. If this is your first time to this channel, think about hitting the subscribe button. If you've been here before, if you rock with me, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Throw me a comment down at the bottom. Share it with your people. Make sure your notification bell is on. That way you know what we doing when we doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place. Out your face. To the next time. Whoo. About to go kill this omelet, y'all.